So let me show you how to turn on and also customize Brave News on your Brave browser. So launch the Brave browser and then go to the home page. Okay, so if you open a new tab, normally it's going to take you to the home page. So on the bottom right corner, you want to click on customize, and then this customize dashboard pop-up will pop up. Click on Brave News and then click on turn on Brave News to enable Brave News. And then now what you want to do now is here you can select the news outlets you like your news from. So you can click on view all and then select the specific news outlets that you prefer to have your news from. So if it's maybe GameSpot, Game Rant, maybe NBC News or stuff like that, you can just add them and you can see they get added there. Now if you go back, just scroll up and go back, you can also choose different genres of news. So for instance, if you're interested in politics, you can select that and then it's gonna pick for you political news and add them to Brave News. Right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.